Good morning, viewers. This morning I want us to go through this question, and as we do this question, I'm requesting that you click on the subscribe button if it is your first time to view in this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated each and every time I upload a new video. So we have a question here. Our question reads: a quantity y varies directly as x and inversely as the square of z. So we need to write first the equation. So our question reads: a quantity y varies directly as x. A quantity y varies directly as x and inversely as the square of z, and inversely as the square of z, and inversely as the square of z. So that is our equation. Y varies directly as x and inversely as the square of z. So when we have such a question, we introduce our constant of proportionality, and when we introduce our constant of proportionality, our equation becomes y, the sign changes to equals, then we introduce a constant k, x over z squared. So that is our equation when we introduce what we call the constant of proportionality. So we can now substitute the values of y, x, and z as stated in the question. If y is 4, when x is equal to 2 and z is equal to 5, find the equation connecting y, x, and z. So we are going to substitute our values. We can do that part here. So given that our y is 4, so we can say 4 is equal to k into brackets, we multiply with y or with x, our x is 2, over our z squared. Our z is 5, so it will be 5 squared. So we can be able to determine the constant of proportionality, and to determine our constant of proportionality, we are going to solve the equation. We have 4 is equal to 2 times k is equal to 2k over 5 squared is equal to 25. So when we cross multiply, we will get that 2k is equal to 25 times 4 is 100. So having that, for us to get the value of k, we divide both sides by 2, and we are going to have our k as 50. So having our constant of proportionality as 50, the equation connecting y, x, and z will therefore be y is equal to 50x over z squared. And that is the equation that connects y, x, and z. And by doing that, we have come to the final point of our question. I believe you can be able to answer that question. Thank you so much. Kindly click on your subscribe button, ensure you turn on the notification bell so that I'll update you with new concepts in mathematics. Thank you.